welcome to Car Vibes, where today we're diving deep into the future of hypercars with the 2026 Czinger 21C, a creation so advanced it feels like it has been teleported straight from the next century. This is not just a machine built to go fast, a statement of what's possible when cutting-edge AI design, revolutionary 3D printing technology, and pure performance obsession collide. Born in Los Angeles under the vision of Kevin and Lucas Czinger, the 21C isn't manufactured in the traditional sense. Instead, its core structure is created using Divergent's adaptive production system, a process that uses generative AI and high-powered multi-laser 3D printers to produce incredibly strong yet lightweight parts that no conventional method could match. These parts are optimized for both strength and aerodynamics, then assembled into a chassis that weighs far less than those of other hypercars. This unique approach not only reduces waste and production time, but also enables levels of precision and customization that were unthinkable just a few years ago. Every line of the 21C's carbon fiber body has been sculpted with aerodynamic purpose, from its aggressive nose to its flowing rear haunches. The tandem seating arrangement where the passenger sits directly behind the driver minimizes frontal area, enhances stability at speed, and gives the cockpit a fighter jet-like vibe that makes even sitting still feel intense. Powering this futuristic missile is an in-house developed 2.88-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine with a flat-plane crankshaft capable of screaming to 11,000 revolutions per minute. This ferocious combustion engine works in perfect harmony with two electric motors mounted on the front axle, delivering a combined system output of 1,250 horsepower or 1,350 in the exclusive Blackbird edition. Power is sent to the rear wheels via a 7-speed automated sequential gearbox with a hydraulic multi-plate clutch, and the acceleration figures are almost beyond belief. 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 1.9 seconds, a quarter mile in about 8.1 seconds, and a blistering run from 0 to 186 miles per hour and back to 0 in only 13.8 seconds. The standard high downforce configuration pushes the car to a top speed of 219 miles per hour, while the low-drag VMAX model can storm all the way to 253 miles per hour, making it one of the fastest road-legal cars in existence, weighing only around 1,240 kilograms. Thanks to its carbon fiber monocoque and 3D printed aluminum components, the 21C boasts an unmatched power-to-weight ratio. In its high downforce form, it produces nearly 2.5 tons of aerodynamic grip at 200 miles per hour, enabling not just incredible straight-line speed, but record-breaking cornering performance. Those records are already piling up at WeatherTech. Raceway Laguna Seca, the Czinger 21C set the production car lap record with a time of 1 minute 24 seconds and 75 milliseconds. It has also dominated the Goodwood Festival of Speed, hill climb, and shattered the production car record at Circuit of the Americas. These aren't just marketing stunts, they're proof that the 21C can turn its extreme specifications into real-world dominance. The interior is just as focused as the exterior. The driver sits in the center, surrounded by a minimalist, motorsport-inspired cockpit with high-resolution digital displays and controls that keep every essential function within immediate reach. Lightweight materials like carbon fiber, Alcantara, and precision-milled aluminum are used throughout, creating an environment that feels expensive, functional, and purposeful all at once. The tandem layout means the passenger shares the same direct, immersive view of the road as the driver, an experience unlike any other in the automotive world. Only 80 units of the Czinger 21C will be built, each tailored exactly to its owner's specifications, from paint and materials to performance. Tuning. Deliveries will be handled by ultra-exclusive dealerships such as O'Gara, Coach in California, and HR Owen in the United Kingdom, and each handover will be more like the delivery of a bespoke piece of art than the purchase of a car. Priced around $2 million. This is not a vehicle for the average driver, it's for those who want to own a piece of the future. A machine that represents the absolute cutting edge of what is technically possible. The Czinger 21C is A rolling showcase of what happens when engineers throw away the rulebook and use every tool modern technology offers to build the fastest, most efficient, and most advanced car they can imagine. It's a vehicle that challenges the boundaries between car and technology, between design and engineering, between art and science. Watching it on the road or track is like witnessing the future unfold in real time. And for those lucky enough to get behind the wheel, the Czinger 21C promises not just speed, but an experience so intense, so pure, and so connected to the machine that it will redefine what driving means. This is more than a hypercar, it's the beginning of a new era, and it's happening right now. Do you want me to now tune this into a high-energy YouTube voiceover so it hits that adrenaline-charged car vibe style for viewers? That would make the pacing and tone explode with excitement.